get that introduction. We on a long road to self-destruction. And you was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Red Baby's Realm, and today, in spirit of it finally being summertime, we're doing a Shein swimsuit haul. Now, this isn't a first impressions because I've already bought the stuff and I've actually worn some of the bathing suits, so it's really just a review over everything. And I hope you guys like the pieces that I picked out because I think that they're pretty fire. So let's go ahead and jump into this. I'm gonna try to be as detailed as possible. So let's see, I'm gonna reach in here and pull out the first piece. So we got bathing suits and we got cover-ups. Ooh, okay, so I see we're gonna start with the yellow one. This is called the tassel decorated triangle top with tie side bikini. I got this in a small. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw these little cups, I was like, no, these are pasties. These are pasties, but I put it on and it's super, super duper cute. It has this really cute ruche detail on the back. I'm probably never gonna tie this the same way every single time I wear it because it's just so many different ways you can tie it. The tassels, like, this just screams, I'm on vacation, I'm fun, I'm playful, and I really, really like this set. So it's a little scandalous, but depending on how you tie it, it can be very secure. It's gonna run you $12, which $12 for a top and bottom, you can't beat that. Okay, let's see what else we're gonna pull out. Oh, okay, we're coming out with the teal piece next. So this piece is called the chain link triangle tie side bikini swimsuit. Very much Princess Jasmine. Like, come on, come on. So I got this in a small as well. I think all of these are in a size small. And it's gonna run you $18. It has beach stuff, it's so cute. It has seashells and starfish and stuff on it, but it definitely comes in other colors. I wanna say it comes in orange. Oh, ooh. Okay, it comes in a lot of colors actually. Where was this lavender purple when I was looking for it? Cause that's cute. But we're gonna stick with Jasmine. Jasmine's cute too. Check your undertones, people. Get the best color that's gonna pop against your skin or complement your skin, you know what I mean? Next item, the two cover-up pieces that I got, they did not come together, but I had a little vision. So we have the sheer mesh drawstring decor beach skirt. And it's a little tight. It's not that much give in the seams for the waist. So definitely get your actual size. Don't size down. You can adjust the shape of it with the drawstring that's in it, but that's not gonna help in the waist area. So definitely get your size. I got a small in this. And for the top, it's called the sheer wrap cover-up top. This thing is cute. It's long sleeve, and I knew that that white and teal would just make me stand out. You was gonna see me all the way down the street, honey. It's super, super duper cute. Sheer, lightweight, so you're not gonna be hot. It's not itchy or anything like that. It's a really good material. And I forgot to actually put on the shades when I was wearing them, but definitely would pair these with them. These are also from Shein, the acrylic frame sunglasses, and they're gonna run you about $5. $5 to look like a baller. Like, come on. Expensive, but on a budget. This is definitely one of my faves. This 3-pack color block micro triangle bikini swimsuit and beach skirt is the bomb. You get a cover up and you get a beautiful pattern. I think it comes in 3 other patterns as well, so it really depends on what base color you really like. I really like the orange and the pink one. Remind me of a really nice smoothie. It looks so good across my skin. You can definitely style the triangle top different ways, which I've been experimenting with. So here's the first way, but I think I definitely like it the regular way as well. It's just way more flattering, and because these cups, they're gonna stop playing with me with these cups. Look at these. I ain't gonna be customizing no type of top, twisting it no different type of way because it's gonna be a nip slip. But when I tell you, oh, this feels so comfortable, it felt like I was just gliding something onto my skin. Like, this, sturdy, supportive. I could dive and play volleyball in this. I would. And the last piece I'm actually wearing, it's called the 3-pack mesh micro triangle halter bikini swimsuit. These titles are literally a mouthful. Like, somebody put me on the marketing team so we can just come up with a cute little set. It's originally just a regular triangle top that you wear, you know, straight up and down, but I crossed it in the top because I wanted to give it a little spice since it is just an all black piece. Tied it in the front. It's a thong in the back. I don't know if I'm gonna show the back. If I do, it's gonna be quick. Mesh, breathable, cute. Nobody's clocking me. You got the slits on the side, cute. $16 for 3 pieces, a full on cover that you can wear with anything else, and a regular black bathing suit that you an emergency bathing suit. You just throw on a black bathing suit and you're automatically cute. Everything is within budget. You don't have to get all of these pieces. All of them are fire. Let me know which one is y'all favorite one. My mind changes every single time I put them on because it's just a vibe. Every time my mood changes and who I want to be and who I'm feeling like. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was fun to watch me feel myself and just, you know, play a little Miss America. You know, the little swimsuit competitions they be in. Like, I felt like that's who I was. Because it took a lot of confidence for me to finally get to the point where I could wear bathing suits like this and not be worried about hyperpigmentation and stuff like that. So this is a really big step for me, guys. But anyway, you guys didn't come for all that. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Did you click it? Come on, baby. Did you click it? Did you click it? Thank you. Thank you. That's all you gotta do if you want to keep seeing me, because I want to keep seeing you. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all next time.
I look nice when you open my mind for you. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get